In today's video, we're checking out Airtop AI, an AI platform that's been getting a lot of attention lately. We'll look how it works, what it can do, and whether it's really worth all the hype. So what is Airtop AI? It's an AI tool designed to help you with tasks like answering questions, generating ideas, and automating certain workflows. The idea is to make your work easier and faster using artificial intelligence. Using Airtop AI is pretty simple. We access it online, type in your request, and the AI responds. It's designed to be intuitive, so even if you're not very tech savvy, you can still get started quickly. So now here's what makes it interesting. It can handle a variety of tasks from simple questions to more complex requests, aims to save time by automating repetitive work, offers features that make it flexible for both personal and professional use. It's not perfect. Sometimes it may misunderstand your request or the output might need tweaking, but for a tool that's designed to make life easier, it's quite impressive. Now let's go ahead and look at the pros and cons. So pros: easy use and accessible online, helps with productivity and automate tasks, can be used for both work and personal projects. Cons: occasional inaccuracies in responses, some advanced features may require learning for extra effort. So is Airtop AI really worth the hype? If you want a tool that helps you save time, generate ideas, automate simple tasks, it's definitely worth trying. But if you need a highly precise answer or very advanced features, you might want to explore other AI platforms as well.